I am going to study about the adjectives. This is your chapter number 3. Children, adjectives are words that qualifies any noun or pronoun. Okay children, what are adjectives? Adjectives are the words which qualifies a noun. Understand? In previous class also you have learnt about that. You know nicely how many types of adjectives are there? There are many types of adjectives, but here I am going to explain you some very important adjectives, such as adjective of quality. Adjective of quality. In this type of adjective, the quality of any noun is told, and it answers the question of what kind. If noun is there, if anything is there, any place is there, then it is a what kind. What kind of this that thing. Now second one, adjective of number. Adjective of number shows the number of the noun, means answer the question how many things. Okay. Children, adjective of number can be divided into two parts, cardinal number and ordinal number. Cardinal number stands for the direct counting 1, 2, 3 or 4, okay, and so on. But ordinal number stands for their order, like first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, etc. Okay. Now adjective of quantity. It answers the question how much. What it answers? How much. Demonstrative adjectives. It indicates or points about any noun. Okay, means this, that, these, those. These are the demonstrative adjectives. Possessive adjectives. Next one is possessive adjectives. Children, possessive adjective shows the next one is possessive adjectives. Children, possessive adjective shows the belongingness, means possession of the thing. Who is having the possession or ownership of that thing? It shows that thing, like his, her, how, whose, like that. Interrogative adjectives. In interrogative adjectives, question words are used with noun, like whose book, which boy, this way. Okay children, here whose or which, they are not a question word, they are in the form of interrogative adjective. Understand children? Again I am giving you examples of these adjective of quality, like good, bad, big, small, like that. Adjective of numbers, cardinal and ordinal, two types are there. In cardinal 1, 2, 3, 4 numbers are there. In ordinal first, second, third, fourth, like that, so on. And in third adjective, adjective of quantity, means it gives the answer of how much, some, little, more, like that. Demonstrative adjectives. It indicates toward the noun, like this boy, that boy, these girls, those girls, like that. Now possessive adjectives shows belongingness or possession of someone. Okay, like his bag, your bag, my bag, like that. Interrogative adjectives, question words are used with nouns, like whose bag, which boy, which pencil, whose mother, like that. I hope you understand all these things children. Now children comes another topic, degrees of comparison. What is the topic? Degrees of comparison. In this we used to compare two things on the basis of their qualities. Okay children. Now adjectives are used to compare qualities of nouns. There are 3 degrees of comparison of adjectives. Used to compare two things on the basis of their qualities. Okay children. Now adjectives are used to compare qualities of nouns. There are 3 degrees of comparison of adjectives. First one is positive degree, second one comparative degree, third one superlative degree. In positive degree, we are always using the base form of the adjective. In comparative degree, we are comparing about two things. Okay, We are doing the comparison between two things. And to make an adjective in comparative form, we supposed to add er, either ier. Okay, like tall, taller. If we want to make the comparative of tall, then we have to add er, either ier. Okay, and after the comparative word, we will use than. What we will use? Than, like taller than, bigger than, smaller than, heavier than, like that. Now third one is superlative degree. In superlative degree, we are comparing between more than two words. What we are comparing? Between more than two words. We are selecting the one which is the best among all those. And to make the adjective in superlative form, we supposed to add est or iest. What we have to add in the adjective? Est or iest. And before this superlative form of the adjective, we will use the. What we will use? The. So, like tall, we will make it tallest. Big, biggest. Long, longest. Understand? So, we will write like this: the biggest, the longest, the smallest, like that. I hope you all understand this topic, degrees of comparison. In chapter 3, adjectives, I have explained all the main points. Now here is the exercise. Choose the correct demonstrative adjective and fill in the blanks. So I have told you that demonstrative adjectives are this, that, these, those. Okay, children? And it is very clear that with these words, there should be some noun. Okay? So the first one is building is the Hampton Court Place. Blank space is there. And two options are there. These, this. So building is in singular form. So that's why we cannot use these. We will write this. In the same way, ferocious lions live in forest. And the two options are there, that, those. Again, ferocious lions live in that forest. Why? Because forest is only one. It is singular form. So that's why we will use that. So in the same way, we will complete this exercise. Exercise B is there. Replace the underlined words with possessive adjectives. Possessive adjectives. See the example here. Mr. Paul's article received criticism. Mr. Paul's is a man. So for man we are using he. And for he, possessive pronoun is his. So here we will use his article. Now it is his is working as adjective. Possessive adjective. Means who is having the possession of article? His. And that is Mr. Paul. Now second sentence. The students' answer scripts were checked. Again student, one singular person is there. So his. His answer scripts were checked. So in the same way we will complete this exercise. Full exercise here. I have done it and I will send it in the form of the PDF.